Our respiratory system is responsible for overall health of our body. If you start noticing that your digestive system is becoming weaker, time to time you're having constipation, diarrhea, stomach ache, or the food is not digesting properly, excretory system is disrupted, passing the urine or passing the stool, you have difficulties. You feel lethargic regularly, lazy, procrastinate. In all these conditions, somewhere your respiration is not working well. Respiration brings the oxygen, brings the pranic energy from the universe, from the nature, and give a boost to your body, to your organs to function well. Today time, there's so many problems, so many diseases which hiddenly entering to the body and making body sick faster. Our today focus will be to strengthen your respiratory system and allowing the system to improve the oxygen supply to the body. You know that our brain also need oxygen to function. If you don't give enough amount of oxygen to the brain, your brain will not be able to work. You will not be able to succeed in day-to-day routine and task. I will be sharing today two very important asana. If you don't have enough time to do so many asanas in a series, but these two practices you must try regularly, which will allow your lungs to function properly. I will be sharing with you the two very important pranayam kriya also. So 2 asana and 2 pranayam. These 4 practices, if you will do regularly, you will notice that your respiration becomes stronger. You feel energetic. You feel motivated. Let's start the video and learn these 4 practices which you must include in your daily routine in order to improve the respiration and also to improve the oxygen supply to the body. Namaste everyone. Welcome back to your YouTube channel Prashant Yoga. Why I'm giving you posture? Understand, your respiration is autonomic nervous system process, but also require your physical posture, also require your physical health. Your ribs, which are covering and becoming a shield, a protector for your lungs, smooth organ, these ribs are supported and connected to intercostal muscles which regularly need to be stretched. Today time, due to wrong postures, wrong habits, we are becoming stiff in frontal part of the body, and this stiffness disturbs your natural respiration process. Therefore, it is very important for all of you to take care of these areas so that your lungs will be freely working and also supporting your circulatory system. You must understand that circulation and respiration, they go together. If you have a good, strong respiratory system, your body is able to intake good amount of oxygen, and that oxygen will circulate with the blood through different parts of the body and also keeps all organs healthy. And the pranayama which I am going to give you, this pranayama will strengthen your lungs. This pranayama will strengthen your chest and heart. This pranayama will strengthen your diaphragm also. First asana which you will do is Parashvakonasana. For that, you must open the legs like that, wider, allowing your hands to go back, which will allow your ribs to be moving forward a little bit and open up the side ribs very well. You are opening the chest and turning the right foot out 90 degrees. Now, just a basic step is that your front heel, you will align with same line with the heel. Okay. For example, the back heel is this, and the front heel is aligning with the back heel. That is like an L shape. Now, first you will just bend the knee and sit down like that. Okay. Keep your knee aligned with your hip joint, so lower the body. Now you place the elbow for the beginner, and you are trying to open, pushing the right elbow and the forearm to the thigh, the bottom thigh, and allowing your left side of the shoulder to roll backward. This will correct the frontal area of the chest. And now once you are center, once you feel that your navel is start facing front, now you are starting to lift your chest higher. See that? You are pushing the elbow against the thigh and you are lifting the bottom chest against the thigh. And now at the end, you are raising the hands up. This is how you are stretching the hands. This will allow your armpit to be open. The upper lobes of the lungs will be fully wider. The lower lobe is stretched because you are extending the bottom legs. So upper and lower is fully stretched because I am doing right side bending. So my left side of the lungs are fully open, including heart also stretching. So if you have a weak heart And if you are one who wants to strengthen the heart, improving the cardiovascular system, this posture is the best for you. Now, allowing your hands to go up and stretching it, looking front, and breathe at least for 5 to 10 deep breaths. Now, inhale and exhale, full belly breathing, full chest breathing. Both will be included. Remember this. Belly and chest goes together in this position. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now, inhale, you come back, push, coming up. Same with other side. How? Turning, heel and heel. Now, resting the left elbow down, pushing the left elbow against the thigh, allowing the left side of the chest to go towards the right like that, and right hand which goes back. You are rotating the shoulders, and see now. And now from here, when you feel that the navel face front, inhale, raise your right arm over the head. And now stretching the upper, see the armpit, how much wider. At the end, what you will do is you are rotating the shoulder like that, outward. Can you see that? Outward. This will allow your upper lobe also to be free. And now looking front and breathe. 7 to 10 deep breathing. Once you are done, inhale, come back, and exhale, hands on the hips, backward, coming center. That's the first. Repeat this 3 times. Each time, each side, 7 to 10 breath. In the beginning, it will be difficult as you are starting, but later when you develop the stamina, this is good for stamina as well. If you feel the stamina is weak, this is the best practice in the morning you should try. Now for regular practitioner and for advanced practitioner can go further. If you, after a few months, instead of resting the hands here, you drop the hands on the floor. And now you are opening the chest more wider. See that? How much it's open. And now from here, you're extending the hand and opening. This is how the posture will go. Okay? And now, same way you come up. Exhale, together legs, and try other side too. The second pose, that is standing Gomukhasana. For that, you are keeping the legs wider, hips width apart, and now opening the chest, again the same way. Inhale, raising the left hand sideways, first rotating internally outside to in. You are not rolling the shoulders forward a lot, including your chest. You are just rotating from the socket like that. See? And now wrapping the left hand back. So it goes from the back this way. See? Up. Now the right hand, which is free right now, you raise it, rotate internally the same way, and now stretch it. See here? Stretch it like a side bending here. And now you are grabbing it on the back, holding nicely. And now from here, as you are grabbing it, you are starting with elbow to push back. And then at the end, you are just bending side a little and breathe here. Again 7 to 10. Same inhale, you are coming back, releasing it, switching the side the same way. That's the second practice. Now understand the 2 pranayam, which is very important. After finishing these 2 practice, now the pranayam becomes easier, breathing becomes easier, and lung strengthening work will start. To first place the hands behind, like fingertips behind, and open the chest. Now from here, you are inhaling through the nose faster, holding it for 2 to 3 seconds in the beginning, and then exhaling it normally. So first focused on inhalation. Okay, inhalation will be faster. Again, let's try with me. Inhale forcefully. Hold 3, 4 to 5 seconds. Exhale normal. Finish. Second round. Inhale. Normal exhale. And whenever you feel the shoulders are coming forward, roll it back again and again. Inhale. Normal exhale. 10 times this practice. After finishing this practice, 1 minute gap means 1 minute silence. Let the hands come front, relax a little bit. The second practice start where you are including exhalation also forcefully. Hands will remain same. Behind, Here, inhale, 2 to 3 seconds you will hold. Exhale, 4, same, 2 to 3 seconds hold. Again inhale, 2 to 3 seconds, exhale, 2 to 3 seconds. So every time inhale, force, 2 to 3 seconds, pause. Exhale, force, 2 to 3 seconds, pause. In between to inhale and exhale, you are having a pause. That will allow your sleeping lungs to work extra. So if you are a one who feels that this practice is heavy, slow down the speed of inhalation. You should not go very fast in the beginning. Slow down. Instead of going, go more smoothly like that. See, 10 times like that you will do. So these are the 4 practices. Allow your body to perform regularly and see the results after 11 days. I'm telling you, if you regularly practice this, and you will see that how the body becomes strong. Your breathing will change. You will feel naturally you are breathing in a minute around 9 to 10. It will go less than 10 number. Normal breathing, how the normal people breathe, 12 to 14. That's a normal. If you go beyond the 14 in 1 minute, it means body is sick. If it is 12 to 14, it means you're normal. Lungs are normal. If you go less than that, less than 10, it means your lungs are stronger. Try this 11 days to 21 days and see how the breathing is changing, how the sleep will improve, how your digestion will improve. I hope you learn these techniques and you will apply that. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and I will see you again with the next video. Namaste. Take care. If you want to join our regular classes to strengthen your practice under the guidance, you must go for some of the regular practices which our school conduct. You can see the link in description and see which option is best for you. There are many experts which are guiding you in this path and helping you to improve your health. Come together and transform together. See you soon.